Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to select the artwork for your beat. So in order to find a good artwork, you really need to sort of do some research. You really need to sort of look into what type beats you're making, what type of what your niche is, what type of things that you have in your beat. Is your beat dark? Is your beat very happy sounding? All these things you have to keep in mind. And in order to get a good artwork, you need to sort of listen to your beat and then say, okay, this is a happy beat. Okay, let me just go ahead and pull up something that sort of matches the vibe of the beat. All right, so you don't want to sort of put anything that's going to be random here. Another thing that I think a lot of producers, they don't really do is they don't really remain very consistent. They don't have that much consistency in their artwork. So their artwork, sometimes they're posting a butterfly picture, sometimes it's posting a car picture. Okay, anything that's sort of not really related to their niche. So they have to also keep the artwork similar. Okay, and you have to sort of make sure that your beat tags are similar, your artwork is similar, and the last thing is going to be your tags that you use in your beat. So it's not just the producer tag, but also the tags that you put in the description of the beat, the tags that you put in the tags section of the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you in this video how you can select the artwork. Next video I'll show you how to get the right type of tags. Okay, but in this video let's go for the artwork here. So I'm in the Pinterest here. I'm in Pinterest.com. And as you can see, there are ton of these photographs here that are going to be available for you to sort of just click on and then right click, save as JPG, and then sort of go ahead and use them. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you the first and most important thing is going to be what kind of vibe you're going for. So I in this channel sort of tend to go for a certain vibe. If you look at my thumbnails here, you're gonna see the same kind of vibe. It has this same sort of design, except just probably one. They all have the same sort of design. They all follow the same sort of design here. You guys also need to sort of do the same thing. The best way is gonna be just using a sort of like one little picture here and then putting in a black background. So I see a lot of these beats, they have black background. So if you go into here and just search for any sort of type beat, let me just search for a type beat. Right, so I just search for that, and as you can see, there's like a ton of the similar looking photos here. Now the very important thing is what I was talking about here was the black background. Now the black background is going to be the most common one, and it's actually really I would say it's kind of like a thing on its own. Like producers like to just put a black background and then in the photo, black background photo. So this is the kind of vibe that a lot of producers take. So they have the same black background and then the same sort of picture going on here. Now the very important thing is either you can just sort of go ahead and use this method, or you can sort of go ahead and use another producer named Oh Boy. All right, this guy, I really like this guy's art as well, because he posts this type of art. Okay, now this is really cool. Okay, I kind of like that. And you can go for this one, or you can go for the black background. You can go for any other one if you want, if you like. But the only the thing that these producers are doing, as you can see, the Oh Boy is doing, for example, is just posting the same masked person. Okay, so he's posting masked photographs here, the people in the mask. Okay, people wearing mask. All right, that's the only thing you see here. You're not gonna see anything else. You're not gonna see a random car. You're not gonna see a random like someone roasting their potatoes. I don't know, right? You're not gonna see anything random here. You're just gonna see the same repeating pattern here. and he also sort of makes the same repeating sort of beats. So I see Lil Baby, for example, Drake, right? Offset, Gunna, Lil Baby, Don Toliver, Offset. All right, so these are the same, the kind of artists that make the similar type of music, right? They make trap music. These are the artists that make trap music. So he's posting trap beats, and he's just going for the same vibes. The trap music is very dark sounding, so he's sort of going for that darker vibe here. Right, so you want to select something that's more similar to your artwork, similar to your beat style. All right, you just go ahead and go to Pinterest here. If you want to go for masked one, you can just go ahead and search for mask. Go ahead and search for masked. Right, there's going to be a ton of these masks thing going on. One cool one I really like, this one is going to be anime aesthetic. Right, I really like anime aesthetic because sometimes I make lo-fi beats, because when I post lo-fi beats I always use anime aesthetic from Pinterest. Okay, now you want to do some sort of like research or whatever, because there are going to be a ton of these random ones popping up here. If I click on this one looks good, right? So they're good. The best part about Pinterest is going to be once you click a photo, Pinterest is going to show you a ton of other photos here, many other photos that as you can see, many of these photos they have the similar kind of vibe, and just like this one here, for example, this one let's go check this one out, and this one has this vibe. Now we see another one here, we see another one, so you can sort of get an idea here, and then just start compiling these pictures. Just keep them in a folder, and sort of start either using black background or using the oh boy style background. So I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to go to Canva here. All right, so I went to Canva here, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on create design, and just search for custom size 1920 by 1080. All right, now you want to upload the file that you have, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that file and then just start designing. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start designing it. The first thing we're going to do is going to design the black background. We're going to go ahead and click on the canvas here, and then select the black background. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the file that I liked. So I'm going to drag and drop this one here, and this is like an anime cosplay, I don't know, right? This is from Kakigure Anime, Yumiko Jabami, and I really like this anime, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop, use this picture here as an example. So this picture was quite small. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it to enlarge it, and we also gonna go ahead and drag this guy. So I really like the width to be 1000, okay, around 1000 by 1080. That's gonna be the perfect width, right? So now you got the perfect sort of thing here. You can choose any other picture if you want. I just like anime Kakigure, so so I chose that one. Now what the other thing that you can do here, just like I showed, is you can just drag and drop this guy into the background. Okay, so you can just drag this to the background, and just go here, edit image, and then just go to adjust, and then turn on the blur, turn on by 80%, and there you go. There you have the picture right here. All right, guys, so that's the way you can sort of go ahead and design your artwork. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm gonna hit 100 subs pretty soon, and the important part is gonna be that you guys need to sort of, like I just said, you just need to sort of give the artwork the same sort of vibe that you're going with your type beats. And if you keep that, you're definitely gonna go ahead and see some good results. And just keep posting these beats, keep the similar vibe, the similar style, and just follow the similar style. You're going to be getting some good results here. But like I said, guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.